This is so that you can get an idea of how much snow that we got in the last day, in the last 24 hours. 24 hours ago, none of this was here. And look at it now. This is my backyard. We just finished digging out. Well, actually, we're not even finished because we're still digging a little bit. It's freezing out there. We get out a car that got stuck in front of our house. This is the garage. This is about all that we've done just so that we can get out of the garage because we really don't use it. They finally sent a snowplow down the street to kind of cut a path through so that traffic could get through. And this is what the front of our house looks like. There are usually some little bushes in between the big shrubs. Completely covered. It's our front porch. I have to show you pictures of what that looked like at first. But we kind of dug that out already. So that's pretty much what everybody's been doing today, as you can see.